Organizing information for study. Organizing information for study can help you to better understand and remember the material. There are many different ways to organize information, and the best method will depend on the type of information you are studying and your personal learning style. Memorization. Memorization is sometimes necessary, such as when learning key terms or definitions. However, it is important to note that memorization alone is not enough to achieve deep learning. To truly understand and remember information, you need to connect it to your prior knowledge and apply it to new situations. Concept or information maps. Concept or information maps are a visual way to organize information. They can be used to show relationships between concepts, ideas, and facts. To create a concept map, start by writing down the main topic in the center of a piece of paper. Then, draw branches off of the main topic and write down related concepts or ideas on each branch. You can continue to add branches and sub-branches to show more detailed relationships. Comparison charts. Comparison charts are a good way to organize information about two or more similar things. To create a comparison chart, draw a table with two columns for each thing you are comparing. In the first column, write down the name of each thing. In the remaining columns, write down the information you want to compare. Timelines. Timelines are a good way to organize information that happens over time. To create a timeline, draw a horizontal line and mark off the beginning and end dates. Then, place events or key moments along the timeline in chronological order. Process diagrams. Process diagrams are a good way to show how something is done. To create a process diagram, draw a series of steps in a logical order. You can use arrows to show the direction of the flow. Informal outlines. Informal outlines are a simple way to organize information in a hierarchical structure. To create an informal outline, write down the main topic at the top of the page, then indent and write down the main supporting points. You can continue to indent and add more detailed information as needed. Branching diagrams. Branching diagrams are similar to flowcharts, but they are more flexible. Branching diagrams can be used to show the different possible outcomes of a decision or to show how different concepts are related. To create a branching diagram, draw a starting point and then draw branches for each possible outcome or related concept. You can continue to add branches and sub-branches to show more detailed relationships. Tips for organizing information for study. Choose the right method. Consider the type of information you are studying and your personal learning style when choosing a method for organizing information. Be consistent. Use the same method to organize all of the information for a particular subject. This will make it easier to find and review the information later. Use clear and concise language. When writing down information, use clear and concise language that you can easily understand. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that you are not familiar with. Review your organization system regularly. As you learn new information, review your organization system and make changes as needed. This will help you to keep your information organized and up to date. Conclusion. Organizing information for study is an important step in the learning process. By using effective organization techniques, you can better understand and remember the material, which will lead to better academic performance.